Alright, let's see what code we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we got 7 blanks. 7 it is. Okay, let's figure out what that means. 7 red flashes, ignition lockout due to retries. So let's turn off the power and figure out what it does on startup. I'll give you just a second. And plug it back in, that'll reset the whole board. It's already calling at the thermostat. So we've got the ignition motor kicks on, which should activate the pressure switch. I'm not sure if that's, it should go from open to close. And then we'll wait for that igniter to kick on. Okay. So I hear it opened up the gas valve, it just closed it. But the igniter is not kicking on, so we've got a bad igniter. Let's see what we got going on.
It's already been
Replaced once. It's got wire nuts on there. See, it's burned. We keep these in stock on the truck. Alright, got the exact part in my truck. Alright, so we remove this end. We're going to put this one on because it connects to the system. Still trying to keep the oil on my hands off of the igniter, because that can make them go bad prematurely. Make sure those are snug. Now we've got a new connector on the igniter we need. Let's go see if we can get this back in there. Now we're ready to fire it up. New igniter's in place. Plug the system back in. Okay, so we've got the ignition motor. So we've got the pressure switch. Now we're going to have the igniter glow. It's glowing right now. Then you'll hear the click for the gas valve. Click for the gas. There it goes. Make sure the rest of the sequence starts up with the blower kick on, and then we'll watch it for a little bit and be all set. Another successful fix.